Let's bring in our Pentagon correspondent, Barbara Starr. Barbara, what do you think why do you think Trump released this statement apparently totally reversing his position on the use of torture?
Well, look at what's been happening for the last several days, Wolf. Trump has been talking about waterboarding in fairly general terms, but last night he really shifted ground on this. He basically said he would order it and that the U.S. military, the troops, will do what they're told, that they would not refuse him. But this is potentially setting up a huge battle between, if he became commander-in-chief and the troops he commands, because waterboarding is illegal under U.S. law and international law. If troops get an illegal order, even from a commander-in-chief, they are obligated to refuse it. And if they can't carry out their orders, they have to next face the possibility of resigning from the U.S. military. One official I talked to early this morning after listening to the debate last night said he believed there could be a wave of resignations if this had all gone through. Trump, of course, has backed off now. But what you saw is something very unprecedented, a potential commander-in-chief setting up a real conflict with the troops, saying, until he reversed himself, that he would order the U.S. military to do something that is illegal. Wolf?